We have now reached the end of this project. Optimally, our objectives will be met. So our objectives might include full WCAG conformance, meeting any additional requirements necessary for compliance, and or achieving success with the success metrics that we set out at the beginning of this project. Ideally, we will come away with documentation which provides us with evidence of accessibility and or evidence of our investment in accessibility. So this documentation can include various reports. Here I have specifically the VPAT ACR. So the ACR is the Accessibility Conformance Report. This is very compelling documentation. I also have here conformance statement and certification. So these two documents are very similar to one another. The difference being is that the conformance statement is bound by the rules from the W3C, so the World Wide Web Consortium. They are the makers and the organization responsible for maintaining the web content accessibility guidelines. With certification, you'll have provider certification. And then also here I have user testing attestation. So these are all different types of documents that can really speak to our accessibility and the work we've done. And then so for the project end actions, I have here updating the accessibility statement. And now we can really demonstrate and showcase our genuine commitment to accessibility because of all of the work we've done. I also have here WCAG training. So it is very important not only that we reach our objectives for this project, but that we maintain accessibility and of course compliance along with that. So because of that, we want to train our team so that they are not introducing accessibility issues, or if they are introducing issues, there are less accessibility issues introduced because they are cognizant of accessibility and they are implementing accessibility into their workflows. And then I also have here building out an accessibility program. Keep in mind throughout this training, we've been focused in on a project, but we can expand this to where we build out an entire accessibility program, which affects everything organization wide. So with that, we will conclude with some resources at accessible.org. We provide audits as well as other support services to help you with your accessibility project. At accessible.org, you can also find a cost calculator to help estimate how much your project will cost. Accessibility Tracker is a platform that tracks all accessibility issues, not just those flagged by a scan, and it has AI to help guide your team through the fixes for your accessibility project. Last, in the description for this lesson, you will find a playlist to the full training as well as any updates to this lesson and more resources to help you with your accessibility project. So we will leave it there for this lesson, and I will add any future lessons will be added to this playlist. And so, of course, that will be updated in the description.